Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I'm back with this new AI assistant which I have created to automate my customer help. And with the help of this WhatsApp AI assistant, I can just sit and relax while this WhatsApp AI assistant will answer all my customer queries. So to create this AI assistant, all I needed was this knowledge base and the subscription of Pabbly Chatflow. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and in here when I will send this keyword I need help, you will see that this WhatsApp AI agent will get triggered instantly and it will send me a welcome message. So here I have also received my welcome message. Now I will ask some questions from this AI assistant to show you how this WhatsApp AI agent will reply to me. So to get my questions, I will open this knowledge source, and inside this particular knowledge source you can see I have added these particular questions for myself. So I will just copy this particular question from here, and when I will ask this particular question inside my WhatsApp chat, you will see that this AI agent will reply to me the exact same text that I have added just below this particular question in my knowledge base. So here you can see, as soon as I asked when is my next EMI due, this particular AI assistant answered me with this particular reply: please let me know your loan type. So now I will ask one more question. So this time I will just copy this particular question, and when I will ask the same inside this chat, you will see that instantly this WhatsApp AI agent will reply to me with the same text that I have added just below this question inside my knowledge base. So here I have also received this particular reply. This means that my WhatsApp AI assistant is working properly. So this was the tutorial of this WhatsApp AI agent, and now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself. So for that, I will just go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and by pressing this enter button, I will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right corner, I will see that these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free, are visible to me. So if I am an existing user, then I will click on this sign in button, and if I am new to Pabbly Chatflow, then I will click on this button, sign up free, and from here I can create my free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing WhatsApp AI assistants for themselves. And as I am an existing user, so I have to click on this sign in button. But before that, let me discuss with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. And here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for that I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. Now, being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. After that, I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given on the right side here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the description box of this video. We have added link of separate videos there, so you can go and check out those videos there. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to create a WhatsApp AI assistant for yourself, from this left side here, you have to select this AI assistant for yourself. After that, you will get directed on this particular AI assistants page, and here you can see these are all the AI assistant that I have created for myself. So before starting to create this same AI assistant for myself, first of all I will deactivate this earlier created AI assistant. So for that, first of all I have to deactivate this AI assistant from this particular chat. So I will deactivate this from here. I will select the status as open, and then I will press this save button. After that, I will open my AI assistant, and now I can simply deactivate by clicking on this deactivate button like this. And then to start creating a new AI assistant, I will click on this add AI assistant button. After that, first of all I have to give a meaningful name to my AI assistant. So I will name my AI assistant as this customer help WhatsApp AI assistant. Then I will press this add AI assistant button. After that, I will get directed on this particular page, and in here I just have to work on these 4 simple steps: AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and this is styling. So first of all, let us work on this AI instructions. So for this instructions type, I will click on this drop down, and I will select this particular instruction type AI agent, because I want to create an AI agent for myself. And then for inside this instructions box, we have to provide instructions for our AI assistant, that how it should respond to users, and it must include the key information like audience, purpose and style to customize the assistant. Here you can see the role and constraints of this AI assistants have been already added. So if you want to add some more details, then you can do that by typing that things inside this particular box. And for this AI configuration, inside this temperature, you can see this 0.5 has been set automatically. So this temperature sets how creative the AI's answers are. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if you want to change this temperature, then you can do that by clicking on this button given here. And then for this AI to use, I will select this particular OpenAI. Then for this model, I will select this GPT-4o mini for myself. You can select any other model if you want to. For this API key, first of all, you have to get a paid subscription of OpenAI. After that, when you will click on this OpenAI's hyperlink given here, you will get directed on this particular page. And here to create a secret key, you just have to click on this particular button, create secret key. And after giving a name to your secret key, when you will press the create secret key button given here, you will see that your secret key is generated successfully. So you just have to copy the secret key from here and you have to paste it inside this particular box like this, and then press this connect button. After that, you will see that our OpenAI key is saved successfully. Now for this AI assistant settings, you can see we have got this 5 different type of settings: header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt, and this fallback message. So if I want to use any of these following settings, then I just have to turn them on from here. And then if I want to use this header, so I will enter any particular text inside this particular header message box, then this header will get visible to me. But as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And the same goes for this footer message. So if I will show you this stop keyword, I will turn this on from here and I will enter this particular keyword inside this box and then press the center button, and here this stop keyword is added successfully. Now this stop keyword will work. Now whenever my customer will enter this particular keyword inside this chat, then this WhatsApp AI assistant will stop replying to them. And for this retry attempt, inside this box I can enter the number in the range of 1 to 10 to give a fallback retry attempts if my AI assistants fail to respond. So as I do not want to use this, so I will turn it off from here. And for this fallback message, this particular message has been already entered inside this box, and this message will get displayed to your customer when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So I have successfully completed this first step, AI instructions. So I will move towards this knowledge source, and in here we have to upload a knowledge base file to connect knowledge unique to our business, and it must include the FAQs, company background, and more that your chatbot can utilize when answering questions. And inside this WhatsApp knowledge base, you have to include every minute details about your business. So you can see I have already created this knowledge base for myself, and in here I have provided all the minute details about my business. Now to download this particular knowledge base, I will click on this file, and from here I will click on this downloads, and inside this downloads I will select this particular format, plain.txt, and I will download my file inside this particular format. So if I will show you, you can see the accepted formats for this file are .txt and this .pdf, and you can see the text here, no page limit for text PDFs, but if the PDF has images, it has to be limited to 10 pages and the size must be less than 90 MB. So from this downloads here, I will just drag this my knowledge base and I will drop it in here. After that, you will see that my file will get processed and uploaded successfully. So here our file is uploaded successfully. So we will move toward this third step, assistant interface. In here for the display heading name, I can enter the name of my brand in here. So I will quickly enter the name of my brand inside this box like this. So you can see this is how your brand name will look to you, and you can see this we are online and happy to assist you. This is your display subheading name, which you can change by typing down any other text inside this box. And for this initial message, this particular message has been entered already, and if you want to add one more message, then you just have to type down the keyword, and then when you will press this enter button, this keyword will get added successfully, and there can be only 2 initial message. So for this powered by Pabbly, you can see you can enable or disable it by clicking on this particular drop down here. And this privacy policy, this is actually a hyperlink which you can create by typing down the text inside this particular footer text box and pasting the link inside this footer link box. And for this user first message, this I need help is written already. You can also change this if you want to. And with this, I will move towards my final step. This is styling. So for this styling here, I can change how my WhatsApp AI assistant should look. So for this theme, I can select this light or dark. For this assistant shape, I can select this circle, square or rounded square, or I can also change my assistant's background color or anything else if I want from here. But as I do not want any changes to be made to my assistant, so I will let them remain as it is. And with this, I have successfully completed the process of creation of my WhatsApp AI assistant. So I will turn this on from here and I will click on this save button, and you can see our assistant is saved successfully. Now if I want to use this assistant from my website, then I just have to click on this embed button, and after copying this particular script from here, when I will paste this inside my website, then this WhatsApp AI assistant will work from my website. And you can see after completion of this WhatsApp AI assistant, I have to activate this particular AI assistant inside any of my particular chat. So I will open my inbox and I will activate my AI assistant inside this particular chat. So to do that, I just have to click on this button, choose AI assistant, and then from this drop down, I will select this particular AI assistant for myself, and then I will click on this save button. And after that, this AI assistant is enabled successfully for this particular chat. Now you must be wondering that if you are required to enable this particular AI assistant for all of your chats one by one, but that is not the case. You can also enable this AI assistant for bulk of your chats. And to do that, you have to click on this settings given on the left side here, and in here you have to choose this inbox settings, and then inside this inbox settings you just have to scroll down to the bottom, and then you have to enable this AI auto replies. So I will click on this button, and then from this contact list drop down, I will select this particular contact list for which I want to enable this AI assistant, or I can also choose the all contacts as at once. Now for this AI assistant drop down, I will click on this and I will select this particular AI assistant which I want to enable for all of my chats, and then when I will click on the save button, then this WhatsApp AI assistant will get enabled for all of my contacts instantly. And here I have also demonstrated you how you can enable this AI for bulk of your chats. Now I will go on my WhatsApp account, and there I will check if this WhatsApp AI agent is working properly or not. Now inside this chat, when I will send this particular keyword, you will see that instantly this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered and it will send me a welcome message. So here I have also received this welcome message. Now I will ask some more questions from this AI agent from this particular knowledge base. So I will just copy this particular question: how do I apply for a home loan? And when I will ask it inside this chat, you will see that this AI agent will reply me instantly with the same text that I have added inside my knowledge base. So here I have also received this exact same reply from my AI assistant. That means that my AI assistant is working properly. So I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing AI agent for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp AI assistant to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, then you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit this particular website. So now what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account with Pabbly Chatflow.